Hey guys, check this out. Look how beautiful that came out. Do a close-up so they can see the sparkles in this. This is an old base coat metallic. Look at the sparkles on that thing. It's beautiful, okay? But listen to this. That's toasted, hot. This is smooth and glossy. The reason why is because I cleaned it with this. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's not car wax, guys. It's cleaner. So when a paint job looks this bad, you need to clean it, not wax it. So I'm gonna just go back and forth. This you don't do circles with because that's how you apply coat of wax on. What you do with this is just go back and forth, and little by little breaks down the contaminants. This is the oxidation that's embedded in the paint. And all I'm doing is cleaning. Now it's really hot right now. It don't matter. Remember, you wanna clean it, not cut it. Because if you cut it, you remove all the paint. In this case, there's still enough paint on here you can bring back. Now, if you want to wax this afterwards, you can, and the waxes will work because the surface of the paint is smooth and glossy again, okay? If you have an ugly paint job, do not wax it when it's dirty because what you're going to do basically is trap the contaminants that are eroding the paint. So if your paint job is old and oxidized, it's also eroding. So you want to clean it, not mask it. And that's what I'm doing here. When you're working directly on base coats, you're going to see color coming off. It's perfectly fine. Okay, look how beautiful that comes out. Do a close-up so they can see the sparkles. And listen to this. There's no wax. That's important because this is a paint cleaner, not a wax. We use this to clean the paint back to its original state. Now I can seal it with this. This is called sealer wax. It turns hard. It protects your paint job. It's carnauba and polymer. It's a really good wax for protection. Regular waxes are designed for shine and pop, making your car appear better. But what we're doing here is not making it shiny. We're cleaning the paint. There's no need to add a shine. We use this to remove this buildup, this oxidation. We use this to seal the paint and protect it. Once this dries up, it turns into a nice hard shell, and it's done. Do a close-up so they can see the sparkles. This is a beautiful paint job. Okay, so this cleans the paint, removes this, but it doesn't remove the good paint, and this seals it. Now here's the part where people get a kick. These are not for making a car shiny, okay? There's no shine in here. This is more designed for protection and other things. Now, if you want to wax your car and make it look beautiful, this is what you're gonna wax because it's smooth and glossy again. And the waxes that you buy over the counter that put shines on cars, they're gonna build up on that and it's gonna look way better. Okay, guys. This is Rob at Lukat Detail. Check us out at lukatdetail.com. Tell your friends about us. Hey, this is a great way to save a ton of money because paint jobs ain't cheap anymore. All right, later.